I will go after all enemies of Biafra. Anywhere you are hiding, I must fetch you out and bring you out. Simon Ekpa. They say one young Igbo trader has been duped and dumped on the roadside. So we are going to upload the video here for you to see if you know him, and immediately raise alarm for help for him. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are welcome. What are you waiting for? Oh yeah, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us here on Facebook for a quick update as they happen. And so will they bring and they come. Hello my people, move look into the Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. It says Simon Ekpa have given an order, ultimate order, to arrest one Mr. Eze that who is planning how to sell Biafras and how to kill the youth of Biafra. So Simon Ekpa have issued an order in order way to capture him. His name is Eze Nwokedi. Eze Nwokedi. They say you are the one who is selling the youth, Biafra youth, and they are coming after you. So if you know this as Nwokedi, I don't know. Okay, we are going to play you the video for you to watch. Then we'll come back and continue so that we will not talk everything. No be smart. Oh yeah, watch the video.
We have been able to post the audio of one Eze Nwokedi who was planning how to kill Biafrans. The order has been given. Look for him anywhere he is. We will stop him and we will stop whoever that is working with him to kill Biafrans. Anywhere you see him, in Abuja, in Lagos, in Meduguri, in Kano, wherever he is, that Nwokedi, stop him and whoever that is working with him.
So na ihe na-ekwu na issue and area of that motor and that 20 million. All God wise ebe ọkwa na anyị mana anyị na-achọ ihe n'aka ndị DSS. All God wise na anyị ga-eme anyị pụta anyị agazie gasị ndị north na iwu na ha ga-ewetarịrị that 20 million kama ha ga-abụrụ moto ha ba n'ọrụ, moto ha ba na use, and all very there's something nyere ọ dị mmụọ nsọ, a new face and a new confidence n'ebe ndị DSS no. Also that now we are ready by providing a quick response with that motto and providing a quick response with that logistics money of that 5 million. You know, confidence that yes, now you're ready and we can move. So having said this, Ejimohara we na arịọ mmadụ niile ndị na-ekwu okwu na finance, ndị na-ajụ ajụjụ dị iche iche ebe a, onye ọbụla rara ebere tụọ n'obi na ihe anyị chere na-achọje ya bụ one thing and ihe ahụ result. So ihe na-ekwu n'ime okwu that 20 million and the exchange of motor bụ na ụmụnna anyị ndị north na ha ga-asọwara anyị afọ, a ga-asọwara ndị ọdịmma ọsọ afọ. Ego a na-ere agwụbe ego otu ha ga-espan were recover na ego ha adịghịkwanụ far fresh because na ekwuru n'ọta 30 million mana si wetago 20 million. So ihe na-ekwu and ihe na-eru uru na that onye anụ na-agbọtara akpekpọsi nsa abanewo na ndị ụmụnna ndị north ga-ewetakwu 10 million naira minus zie that ego mara na-enye 6.something million. The more the next 10 million that will also come up, you know, maybe they take 40% of the money and remit 60% of the money. By the time Ekerega 2-3 times that their money for this ego motor annual, they are completely retrieved. But for now, for now, because there were so many things. Any the ego will for now. The area of Ndanwana, I can need the motor, I can need at least motor nabo, also Siena nabo, Tiri, and animals in your any the reforms Hageji were anything, maybe a bucket, or whatever. The place, for the provision, I'm about to one or two touches again it. So we need cash now. So if they withdraw that about 17 million naira at once, so Anamario Madanine, especially Umuna in the north, where this understanding, and Umuna indoors, everybody were understanding for that na Nihanua, Ebutehora, Ebarai, Otaoya, we hear Barai, Otara. So anime rule Okwa, when I say Kokuni Nanua, go busy, all these things are drag is in there, Umuna in the north. With raise 10 million naira cash. Then in the south, Ono ga eliminate egono on or before Monday. Ono ga eliminate egono because so many other things we handy again make us hand those things will need the ego.
Okay, my people, no be small thing, no. Now so we see they say right now Biafra Liberation Army and the other force, they go to look for that particular man. I beg, I want to ask you, what do you think for this video? You hear everything where the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile said, and here within the suspect as well said. Okay, my people, now so we see may you leave for comment what you will think. Okay, may we go look into the next Obonge news we will get from hand today. They say one trader, Igbo trader, a young boy, Igbo trader, who go and buy some goods in Alaba International Market has been dropped along the Yanoba, Bianipaja. So, and they say they drug the guy and the guy is unconscious, that he don't know what he's doing again. So we are going to play the video for you to know the full details of the location where this young guy is. So share this video so that a lot of people will see the video and immediately raise alarm in order way to help this young man. Okay, we'll play you the video right now.
Because on na phone abo on your iPhone abo stop now. And the motor also good to ya. And that drug on you buy a cup. Oje Zoaya na Alaba buy motor ya no buy motor. And I drop when I na Paja opposite Biaruti na vehicle. Die na Paja Park. A bank I any ano na. Beside the Eco Bank. A bank I know now. So on one na phone yourself na cause him knows you. Man ngwa here ogu. Ngwa here mo flood. I mo flood ngwa here ba no. So man on wezi here na agota. So I na chobu kai man onweke number on somebody kai we can irish so down yan we keep we man on we here na agota. Because man on ya abu one near nwoke biko. See me this video ko ga viral. Ko ya bu one near on wumi ya o yiku ni bia. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. As I've watched this video and I want you to share the video so that you will reach the family of this young boy so that they will immediately look for alternative to save him because this is what is going on, especially in Nigeria. If you don't take time, they will dupe you and dupe your life out. Okay, guys, and so we see him today. Oh, now we say move, bring and come give our people. Don't see everything we will show you for here. Anything way you think, may leave them for comment section. Very, very important to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button for a quick update as it is hot. Now so will they bring and they come. Don't forget say information. I be the key. If you like information, that means you go carry your leg, waka go where you don't know. No be small thing. Okay, now so we see them for here. We will see you for the next update. What will they drop today? Stay tuned and keep on turning on here. Thank you for watching.